Hello everybody, hallo zusammen. My name is Benedetta, I come from Italy and I'm a former student of the Master and Teacher program of the Paluca Hochschule für Tanz Dresden, which I attended from 2017 to 2019. I had the pleasure to work with Fernando, who was the head of our department and the teacher for classical ballet methodic and didactic. Well, it's really difficult to sum up all things that me and my colleagues had the pleasure to learn from Fernando, but I will try in some sentences. So first of all, you will feel really lucky to meet him because he's one of a kind. He's really special, unique person in his way of doing things. He is fun and really gentle, kind and human person with everybody. So first thing I feel important to say that I learned from Fernando was the ability of taking choices, good choices if it's possible. Making choices, which is basically the foundation of our job. Behind the choice, which needs to be really clear in my mind, there's always a reason why I do that, when I do that, and in which way, which is the methodic in fact. Behind the reason there is a target. So what do I want to reach, which is my target, and it needs to be really clear. Behind that there is something that I really loved from the beginning from Fernando, and this is a really scientific and analytical way of watching at the ballet and the building process of the exercises and the class. That still remains really emotional, which is something special. And for me, it makes the difference between one teacher and one another. But the most important thing that really opened up my mind was this one, and it's a sentence that you guys will ever hear if you study with Fernando. It's not wrong, it's just different. That's really smart. What's the explanation? It's this one. Everyone has his own experience, his own perspective, background, so his own way of doing and watching things, and which is of course different from one to another, which is normal. If I see something which is completely different the way I do, it doesn't necessarily mean it's wrong and my perspective is right. It's just another way of doing that, and you have to accept it. Maybe at the beginning you can ignore it because maybe it's difficult to build down everything you did before, but then in the future perhaps it could be helpful, and it could be a new way that you absorb for yourself, and it could make yourself richer and better as a teacher. So that was really something that changed everything in my life, and it was the base of my deconstruction of my professional ballet career as a ballet teacher. But it also changed myself, I must say, as a person first of all, and that was beautiful. So I'm really thankful for the time with Fernando, and yeah, I wish you good luck and fun.